Hello, my name is Rosana. I'm professor at the University of Santa Cruz do Sul in Brazil. I'm responsible for presentation of research developed in industrial system and process postgraduate program. This research was the evolution of plastic caps for bottles of water and soda, a life cycle impact assessment in a plastic caps industry in Brazil. This paper is important because the plastic packing is relevant industrial sector and currently is indispensable to food consumption. Packaging is responsible for the great environmental burden of a product. For packaging, plastic is the dominant material due to three items: low cost benefit, lightweight, and easy of molding. In this sense, the environmental impacts must be investigated and minimized. Therefore, the objective of the study is to perform a LCA to assess the evolution of the environmental impact generated by plastic caps for water and soda used in Brazil, which is basically the same as used all around the world during the last 25 years. In LCA, for the assessment, the limits of 1,000 production units were considered. The functional unit was a production of a single plastic cap able to seal a bottle of water or soda. And the software was CIMAPRO 8.5 with EcoInvent 3.0 as the database. It was studied three generations of caps with different weight and composition. First generation, it was used polypropylene and EVA. In second generation, polypropylene and EVA, but with less weight. And in the last generation, it was used high density polypropylene and the same weight of second generation. The steps considered in the first and second generation were injection, cutting, sealing, and final packaging of the caps. For the third generation was considered injection and the final packaging of the caps. Regarding the results, for the first and the second generation, the damage impacts found for each generation is mainly related to the type of plastic, mainly PP, with damage to human health, climate change, and research. In second importance is the energy used in the equipment. In this case, was used electricity from the several sources of the Brazil, recognized as Mix Brazil of electricity. Furthermore, the difference between the first and second generation of plastic caps is just a reduction of zero point 0.3 grams of PP. That is very important to impact environment impact reduction. In the third generation, the composition of the plastic caps is also the more important factor to generate environmental impacts, which is observed for the orange color for the damage categories as human health, climate change, and resources. Comparing the three generations, it is observed that eco-design actions as mass reduction and composition change were effective in environmental impact reduction for the main impact categories. In this way, we concluded that the evolution of plastic caps is an example of what is possible with plastic caps eco-design, reducing the impact of products since the results of the life cycle assessments were very relevant. There are other aspects to be better explored as others life cycle assessment studies and change the materials as biopolymers, post-consumer materials, and another dematerialization can be evaluated with a new generation of plastic caps. Thank you for your attention.